Hey everyone, Helen here. Welcome to this mobility class on the beach. Stand with the feet hip distance apart. Extend the left leg out to the side, round down into the right foot. We'll come into 10 side crunches to the left. Knee come into elbow, making a C shape with the side body on the left side. Really crunching down as you bring the knee up and the elbow in. Maybe get a fixed gazing point to help with your balance. Breathe in here. Over to the other side. Right knee to right elbow. Rounding down through the left foot. Scrunching that side. Really feel like you're pulling the elbow to the knee using the side waist. Rounding down into the standing foot. Breathe in deep. And release. Left leg extends out, arms come to parallel, knee to elbow, twisting. Right elbow to left knee. Again, keeping that standing leg nice and strong and stable. Rotating the body around. Breathing. Over to the other side. Rounding down into the left leg, right knee to left elbow as you rotate the body. Doesn't matter if you fall. Keep going. And release. Bring the palms to the chest and we'll do some curtsy lunges. 10 to the left, stepping that right leg behind the left leg, deep into the knees, deep into that left glute, using the core to help with the movement. Spine is tall, crown to the sky. We're doing 10 on this side. And then over to the other side. Sitting deep into the glute. Grounding down into that standing foot. Breathing in time with the movement. And I believe that's 10. Wonderful. From here, step out to the left, rotate to face the left side and come into a lunge, straighten the legs, rotate back, over to the other side. We're rotating on the balls of the feet and the heel, with the legs straight, coming into a lunge. If you can't get your knee all the way down, no worries, do what you can. Honor your body. I've noticed that my lunges have got a lot better since I've been doing a lot of quad work. And we strengthen those muscles in the legs. It really helps to support the knees. Keep going. Core engaged here really helps. You're almost done. And back to the center. Oh, one more. And now you're done. Wonderful. From here, extend the left leg out to the side, slightly bend the standing leg, and lift the leg to the side for some side leg lifts. Palms are at the chest. Get a fixed gazing point. Anchor into that standing foot. Don't worry about how high you get the leg, we're all different. Working on the side of the leg here and the hip. over to the other side. This is where you may notice a difference in both sides. Keep breathing, keep going. Getting into that side leg. Keep going, almost done. And release. Externally rotate the left leg, bring the knee up to hip height and bring it to the midline and then out again. 10 of these. This involves a lot of balance. Engage that core, really engage that standing leg. Look at a fixed point, focus in the eyes, and that helps focus the mind. Keep going and release. Side B. Externally rotate and then bring the knee up to hip height and open and close the hip joint. This is actually called horizontal abduction. So the thigh bone isn't rotating in the socket, it's just moving out to the side and back in again. Our hips are very complex machines. And release. Well done. Ground into the right foot. Bring the left toes up the inside of the right leg and then to the outside. Moving the hip forward and then out to a diagonal using the knee. It's quite hard to describe this move, but it looks very simple. I suppose it's like a bit of ballet. Getting that fixed point, and then we move to the other side, drawing the toe up the inside of the calf and then to the side. The hip coming up in flexion and then external rotation as it comes out to the diagonal. Working on the different angles of the hips here, and on your balance and on the core. Keep going. And release. Well done. Bring both hands to the inside of the left ankle and then to the outside, and we'll rotate like this. This is moving through internal and external rotation of the hip. Touching the inside of the ankle and then the outside. Rotating that femur bone in the pelvis. Might feel awkward, and then to the other side, inside the ankle and outside. Stable base with that left foot. Fixed point to look at. Keep going. You're doing great. And finish. Well done. That's the end of the class. I hope you enjoyed it. I thought I'd film one on the beach, and I hope to see you again soon. Thank you.